Hi YouTube, if you follow my channel, you know this is like part 2 or 3. I'm going to show you the body work's all done now. Mustang's all put back together. This is the one that had the busted up fender and everything. We had the other hood in the garage and everything. Look at this hood. Really lets the heat out, ventilates it a lot better, keeps the engine cooler. Look at the lights. All the lights are all hooked up in there. Different bumper. Those are open down there. Not sure what to do down there yet. You know, I think maybe put some grates in there or something. This is the other side with the GT. We just got to put the GT badge on the other side. Change the rims out. Hood looks kind of not. I don't know. Maybe it's just the way the hood is. I guess. Well, it looks good. Move on over, Lee. Move on over, please. Move on over. Look at the lights. Everything's lined back up. Everything's put back together. What do you guys think? Not too bad. The biggest problem was getting this seam to be good. It's a little tight here. It opens up just a little bit there, and it goes back tight there. Then it was also messed up, if you guys remember, this whole piece right here is all done. The part for the door is all put back together. Everything opens correctly now. All right, let me know what you guys think. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Check out this bumper. It's an aftermarket bumper. Gotta put some high intensity lights maybe in there, maybe some vent covers in there or something. All right, let me know what you guys think.